Remove the A-frame from the bag. Holding the bands, pull open slightly until the banner pops open. Take care as it may pop open towards you. Open up the A-frame completely and fasten the stays on each side. Always stake it to the ground using the pegs provided. If used outdoors, you can place sand or weights in the inside pockets to weigh it down. Remove all pegs and weights. Holding the A-frame in a vertical position, stand to one side. Holding the top of the banner, use your other hand to press until the banner folds. Pull both edges towards the center. Do not force the fold. Always ensure that the banner is completely dry before packing it away in the bag provided.